Yeah, here we have Deputy Governor of Tourism Authority of Thailand giving an exclusive interview to Travel and Tour World. So first of all, I would like to know that the unveiling of the Erawan statue is a step toward positive tourism. How do you feel about it?
Okay, at first few days it's just affected our tourism a little bit because people is fighting, particularly from those country of the victim, such as China, Hong Kong, Malaysia. So it's have a cancellation for a few days. But after that, I mean the government, particularly police, army and civilian, they join hand together to put the measure to guarantee that the tourists who coming to Thailand will be safe. So right now, I think that is the regain confidence period, and we do a lot of news and the facts sent out throughout the world. So from now on until now, the number of tourists is coming back, and they have more confidence. You may notice that there are no travel warning from any countries come out that said that don't go to Thailand. In fact, they are supporting their own people to coming to Thailand, such as Australia, Tony Blair, or even the UNTO. Yeah, they still support people to come to Thailand.
And what are the resilient steps are being taken by to restore tourism in Thailand?
Come again, please.
What are the resilient steps are being taken to restore tourism in Thailand?
In fact, we right now we do a lot of, as I told you, that it's a regain confidence period. But next month onward, we will do a lot of campaign coming out.
Okay.
Particularly, we work closely with the airlines, tour operator, both in Thailand and overseas, to do the promotion.
Fine.
And we do hope that at the end of the year, the number of the tourists coming to Thailand will meet our target.
Okay. And what are the new destinations being promoted by Thailand?
Okay, for Indian market
or
from all over the world?
All over the world. So.
Okay, right now we have we call the 12 hidden gems. This means that 12 destinations that we try to develop because they have their own potential. And they're doing quite well, particularly for the domestic market. And from the domestic market, some of that destination are becoming popular among the foreigners, such as in the northern part we have Nan provinces that close to Laos.
Okay.
And then they can cross to Luang Prabang very easily. Or in the south, Phuket, Krabi, and then Trang, the new destination that's quite popular for those who coming from Europe and our neighbor countries such as Singapore and Malaysia.
Okay. And I would like to know, sir, Thai cuisine is a very attractive part of your tourism. What are the areas that our tourism is hoping to bring up?
Oh, for the street food, it's very famous for
Yes,
us.
sir.
We have the Chinatown area we call Yaowarat that has a variety of food. And then there is a lot of destination that suitable for the street walking. Let's say that right now we have the waterfront, the new waterfront along the Grand Palace. So you can walk and enjoy the food from the Grand Palace until
so nice.
until the new waterfront. That is probably around 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers. Yeah.
Okay. And the last one is, sir, how is Thailand planning to tighten its internal security to make it much more safer for tourists in Thailand?
As I told you earlier, that right now the government has a lot of measures, particularly security. So the security, there is a working between the civilian, the people, Thai people, particularly Thai people, both public and private.
Okay.
The army, the police, they are be alert to take care the properties, the tourists, and the tourist destination.
Okay.
So this will be guarantee that there will be more safer. for for those who come into Thailand.
So thank you for your valuable time too. Sir.
most
Thank you,
welcome.
thank you, sir.